you can control the cost and you can control the result on the probeless mode, and the reason is that you're completely controlling how much is going to go in. So if you need to add more soap or you need to take more soap away, depending on the needs of the customers, better results or less cost, you can control it. There are no variables. And one of the great features that's built into the DigiSet that we're focusing on here is this will tell you in a period of time how many initial charges you have. So if I went to the customers on the 1st of September and zeroed my rack count and zeroed my initial charge, and then went back to the account on the 1st of October, I could see how many racks that they ran, and in this case we could see that it's run 449, and we could also see how many initial charges it had, which is 12. So if I know how long my initial charge is, and I know how long my recharge is, and I do the math between the rack count and the initial charge, I can see right to the ounce how much soap I should have used over that period of time. And then I simply re-zero my counter, and I do it again from October to November and every month after. Now if I'm working at a fixed cost account, that's an important feature, because now I have the ability to control, where in a probe application sometimes that's not so easy because there are so many more variables. Now this is a great setup if you're using a liquid and you want to keep control of your costs. I can't think of a better or more accurate way of being able to do it. And just by changing a few wires and changing the programming inside the DigiSet, we have the ability to do that. Is that in probeless operation, you lose the option of being able to use an alarm, because with a probe in the tank, we can sense when there's a lack of alkalinity in the tank. If it stays like that for too long, what happens is the alarm is going to go off inside the control to let you know you're out of soap. You don't have that option on the probeless mode, but you do on the DigiSet, because we can put in as an option a float control that will work in your detergent load detection, rinse, and sanitizer. So by adding this float that goes right inside the pail, it will let you know when you're out of chemical for any one of those products and sound the alarm so that your customer knows he needs to replace them. The alarm is added and connected right on the circuit board. It's already built in, and you can buy the alarm feature from us. So when you run low on detergent, and if you want, you can also add it for a rinse and a sanitizer, so when any product goes low, you'll know about it.